Chassis is the big power in fashion industry. I can do everything in fashion that I want in Zhongshan. I'm Cengiz. I'm born in Istanbul. My first business contact was in Zhongshan, so I come here. Now I have been in China more than 20 years. For our brand Flores, I'm combining all my experiences. Production and material experiences from Turkey, and design and branding from Holland, and now manufacturing, distributing from Zhongshan, from China. But it was now time to expand our brand in the worldwide, internationally. I have my factory in Shashi. Production in China is much easier for me because they are more humble. They listen to you, they understand, they do what you want. The fashion business production in China is really efficient, perfect. I love it. You know, time is money.
Cengiz 对产品的追求是很严谨，但是它给到员工发挥的空间是很大的。Flores 的品牌，它是一个国际的品牌。那在我自己的角度上面，来自不同国家的人有交流，会有不一样的思维，会丰富我自己的工作经历。
With all the fashion feeling of the Holland, Dutch people are very fashionable. Our washings are very special. I choose the most expensive and most beautiful fabrics. I'm now starting e-commerce in China. And with the 10th of University of the Belt and Road Initiative, I'm now interested to learn more about the policies for my e-commerce strategy.
Cengiz's product exemplifies diversity in cultures and understanding. He really understands his customers. Cengiz also inspires people to learn from each other, which is very similar to the Belt and Road Initiative. We have cultural diversities and we inspire each other for a better product, a better life.
Fashion development in China is very fast, very good and very positive. And I believe that the Chinese, the young generation, are changing very fast. Even some young girls are more fashionable than in Europe these days. We are now starting to create our brand identity in China. And I hope the Chinese fashion ladies will love our brand. And I hope so, but I think so.